Walkouts, see you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that I was Romeo. I was throwing pebbles and your daddy said stay away from Juliet. I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go, 'cause you belong.
If you could see that I'm the one who understands, you've been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me.
So glad you made time to see me. How's life? Tell me, how's your family? I haven't seen them in a while. You've been good, busier than ever. Small talk, work and the weather. Your guard is up and I know why. Because the last time you saw me, it's still burned in the back of your mind. You gave me roses and I left them there to die. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you saying I'm sorry for that night. I go back to December all the time. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I'd realized what I had when you were mine. I go back to December all the time. Someday I'll be living in a big old city.